Hi, this is Lauren from Axilent. This is a brief introduction to the core ideas behind Axilent. Axilent is an online content publishing system based on a foundation of two core ideas: content everywhere and targeted content. Content everywhere is an approach to online publishing in which content is pushed out from a central repository through an API. Different publishing media, such as the web, mobile apps, tablets, and so forth, all draw the content from the API and visually format it as is appropriate for their medium. Content everywhere has proven to be the scalable approach to publishing on the modern multi-channel internet because of its central management of content and its prevention of duplication of effort. Targeted content is the idea that content should be routed to its most appropriate audience. Through a number of techniques including personalization, related content, collaborative filtering, and curation, publishing is managed so that content reaches the audience that is most likely to appreciate it. Does this make Axilent a content management system? Yes, but it's really what content management systems should have been all along, rather than what they've been in the past. So how does it work? Axilent is powered by three foundational technologies: the library, content channels, and deployment targets. In an Axilent project, all content is initially stored in a central repository called the library. You can search for content in the library and retrieve it for editing at any time. The library also contains content types and their associated workflows. Content types establish structure for content. A content type will define individual fields that specify data types and saliency, the degree to which similar values in a field means content items are relevant to each other. Structured content is foundational to the content everywhere approach. Each content type also has a workflow. A workflow is a series of steps through which the content passes on its way to publication. In a workflow, content may pass through review steps, where it is reviewed or edited by staff, process steps, where an automated process is applied to the content, and deploy steps, where the content is published to one or more targets. Content channels allow you to automate a specific publishing policy. When you define a content channel, you specify whatever mix of personalized, curated, related, collaboratively filtered, or random content that you want. This mix controls what content appears in the channel. Content channels are then accessed through the API, where they deliver structured content to a destination, web, mobile, etc. You can change the mix on a content channel anytime you want without having to reprogram your website or app. Content channels provide you with state-of-the-art content targeting algorithms, but without the associated development cost. In scalable content management systems, you need different content to be published to different destinations at different times. With Axilent, this is managed through the use of deployment targets. You can think of a deployment target as a discrete database of content and content channels. When you access content through the API, you are addressing a specific deployment target. This means that you can use deployment targets to manage QA, staging, and production websites, or you can use them for multi-channel publishing, with different deployment targets representing the desktop, web, mobile, and tablet versions of your publication. Deployment targets let you update both content and content channels as you see fit, preview them, and then push them into production when you're ready. Axilent. Content everywhere for multi-channel publishing. Targeted content to reach your audience. Axilent is the foundation of a modern, scalable approach to online publishing. Thanks for listening.